So how do you know if you should be utilizing server-side tracking in your marketing? Number one, do you spend money on ads? Typically, if you're spending more than $2,500 to $3,000 plus per month on an ad platform, you need to be utilizing server-side tracking. And quite honestly, if you're spending less than that, you need to figure out what you need to do to get to that. Because spending $1,000, $1,500 a month is okay, but you're never going to be optimized in what it is you can actually get out of the platform. You hire the greatest ad managers in the world, but unless you're actually spending money on the platform, you're not going to be rewarded. And honestly, if you can't spend $100 a day on your advertising, then you probably need to rethink your business model. Secondly, Core Web Vitals is a very, very big reason for ranking and ad quality scores. And if your page doesn't load quickly, then you're going to have issues being optimized on the ad platform. And so utilizing server-side tracking takes away bulkiness that's on the page from tracking codes and cookies, because it's on the server side, and allows the page to load quickly. And finally, if you want to improve conversions or improve leads and cost per lead, then utilizing server-side tracking is going to provide data that allows the ad platforms to put your ads in front of the right people at the right time, so that you're getting the most leads for the least amount of money.